Let's make pistachio chai muffins. Let's get started. For our dry ingredients, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 chai tea bags out of their bags. 1 cup of buttermilk, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of butter, and 1 large egg. Whisk those together. Make a well in your dry ingredients. Add your wet ingredients to that. We're going to fold this together just until everything is moist. Don't over mix. As soon as it's mixed, we're going to get a muffin tin and cooking spray each little muffin cup. We're going to divide up the mixture into each muffin cup, just like this. We need 1/3 cup of fresh pistachios. Chop them roughly. As soon as they're chopped the way you like, we're going to add those on top of our muffin cups, dividing them evenly, and in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. They're beautiful. Toothpick test, they pass. Now for the icing. A half a cup of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk together until it's nice and creamy. Drizzle over the top of your cooled muffins. You can do this part or not, it just makes them a little sweet. I only cooled them for about 5 minutes. These look beautiful and smell incredible, and look how moist they are. Now that's a good muffin.